got it up to here with your loud noise, your loud clothes, and your loud music. Now what do you have to say for yourself? Sorry for party rocking.
Whoa, that was crazy. Hey guys, Zimmer here, and today, well, I'm sorry about I didn't make no more videos because, there were, school. You guys know school started. You guys, yeah, school started. But guys, that's not the point of the episode. We're in the rainbow freaking parkour, and there's a house, so you guys could, you know why this house? You guys could see in the beginning of the video. So, yeah. But first, guys, let me tell you something. Wait, you guys hear that? You guys hear that? You guys really do hear that? It's the sound of...
First, let me take a selfie.
Well, that will happen to my life. That's my life. That will happen to my life. I'm sorry. I'm just saying it wrong on purpose. My life. Wait, come on. If I beat this game in one round, we need to download the other map. Dang. Or just end the video. What? Guys, make sure. I can make this video how long as I want, Mom. Get away. Well, I suck at parkour, guys. I couldn't click it. That's embarrassing. Well, they made this parkour really short. I thought it was going to be big pieces set on the picture. Dog, I think it's because of you. You're the one that hated me. Come on, here, have a punch. Punch. High five. Yeah, you want a high five? Wait, I thought you were my pet. Ah! Woo, woo, woo. I almost died right there. Wait, how am I? Takes a long time to break stuff. How did I break that? I broke the map! I just noticed there's a wall on the ground. You guys could see that green one and then that blue one all the way. And then that blue one right there. Come on, if I fall again, I'm gonna be so mad that I will break the phone if I fall. Come on, how did I fall on that little jump over there? Okay. I got this. Oh, I got this. Oh, that's why I fell. I can't do parkour. That's my secret. I am not a master. I am a failure. You know what this means? I shouldn't just skip the video. Oh yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Slap that like button if you guys like that video. Or like the beginning of the video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye. You made me.
What, motherfuckers? I'm black. Get your motherfucking ass up.
Wait, guys. Long story. You guys heard what he said? That was rude. He said that to me. Because I'm white. I'm white. I'm white. I'm white. Yeah.